When you want to start working in a document that does not contain any content, create a new blank document. Click the File tab on the ribbon. Backstage View opens and lists commands for working with files. Click Blank Document. A new blank document opens. Start Word to create new documents or edit and print existing documents. On the Windows taskbar, click the Start button. The Start menu opens. On the Start menu, click Word. Word opens and displays Backstage View, where you can open a new or existing document. Type text in the search box to display a menu of related tasks and help topics. Click a task to perform it immediately or to display the menu, dialog box, or pane you need. Click the search box on the title bar and type Insert Chart in the box. Word displays a menu of tasks and commands for getting help. Point to the Get Help on Insert Chart. The Get Help menu lists help topics for inserting a chart. Click the second option on the Get Help menu. The Help pane opens with an explanation and steps for completing the task. Add buttons to the Quick Access toolbar to get easy access to the commands you use most often. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button. Word displays the Customize Quick Access Toolbar menu. On the Customize Quick Access Toolbar menu, click More Commands. The Word Options dialog box is displayed, showing the Quick Access Toolbar settings with popular Word commands listed on the left. In the list on the left, click the Copy command. Click Add. The command appears in the list on the right with the other Quick Access Toolbar commands. Click OK. The Word Options dialog box closes and the Copy button appears on the Quick Access toolbar. You can change the margins of a document using a preset option such as normal, moderate, narrow, wide, and mirrored. Click the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click the Margins button. The Margins gallery opens. In the Margins gallery, click Normal. Word adjusts the margins according to your selection. When you want to remove text, such as a character, word, sentence, or paragraph, you can delete it. Select the words streamlining and from the first body paragraph. Press the Delete key. The selected text is deleted from the document. Enter text in a document by typing on the keyboard. Type Project Plan at the insertion point. The entered text appears, the insertion point moves to the right, and the existing text wraps to the next line. Press Enter. The insertion point and the text following the insertion point move to the next line, and extra space is added below the new paragraph. Show formatting marks to reveal non-printing characters, such as paragraph marks and spaces. Hide formatting marks if these characters are a distraction. In the paragraph group on the Home tab, click the Show Hide Formatting Marks button. Formatting marks appear in the document. Paragraph formatting marks show the end of each paragraph, and raised dots show spaces. Click the Show Hide Formatting Marks button again. The formatting marks are now hidden. When Word checks the spelling in a document, the editor pane displays suggestions for changing the spelling of words that might be misspelled. You can accept a suggestion or ignore it. Click the Review tab on the ribbon. In the Proofing group, click the Editor button. The Editor Spelling pane opens. In the Editor Spelling pane, click Total Suggestions. In the document window, the word Secure is selected, and the Editor Spelling pane opens with the suggested spelling for the selected word. In the Editor Spelling pane, click the word under Suggestions to accept the suggested spelling. Word changes the spelling only for the selected occurrence of the word, and then continues checking the document until it selects another word it does not recognize. In the dialog box, click OK. As you type text in a document, Word flags possible spelling and grammar errors so you can correct an error immediately. In the first paragraph, right-click the word are with the blue. Click Is on the shortcut menu. Word replaces the incorrect verb with the correct one. Right-click the misspelled word meeting with the red wavy underline. Click Meeting on the shortcut menu. Word replaces the misspelled word with the correctly spelled word. When you save a document for the first time, you can assign a descriptive name to reflect the contents of the document. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Save button. The Save This File dialog box opens. Type Service Descriptions in the file name box. Click the Choose a Location arrow. Click Documents. Click Save. Word saves the document in the Documents folder and displays the new name in the title bar. When you change the document theme, you apply a new set of colors, fonts, and effects to the document. Click the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Document Formatting group, click the Themes button. Word displays a gallery of themes you can apply to the document. In the Office category, click Berlin. Word applies the new theme to the document, which changes the appearance of the headings and the table. Using the buttons in the Alignment group, you can align a paragraph to the left, right, or center of the page. Click in the Project Plan heading Paragraph. In the Paragraph group, click the Center button. Word centers the paragraph between the left and right margins. Select text before you edit or format it. In the Inside Address, position the insertion point to the left of the I in Information, and then press and hold the left mouse button as you drag the pointer to the end. The word is selected, as indicated by the gray shading. You can increase or decrease the font size to make text more noticeable or easier to read. Select the heading Overview at the beginning of the document. In the Font group, click the Font Size arrow. Click 18 in the Font Size list. Word changes the font size of the selected text to 18 points. You can change the font of text to improve readability or enhance the design of the document. Select the heading Measures of Success at the beginning of the document. In the Font group, click the Font arrow. Click Cambria in the font list. Word changes the font of the selected text. Instead of retyping text to change its case, you can use the Change Case feature to apply a case to selected text. Select the words Rockland Consulting in the first body paragraph. In the Font group, click the Change Case button. Click Capitalize each word in the Change Case list. Word changes the case of the selected text so that each word begins with a capital letter. To customize the appearance of text with shadows and color, for example, you can apply a text effect. Select the title text, Rockland Consulting Services. In the Font group, click the Text Effects and Typography button. The Text Effects and Typography gallery opens. Click the Fill Blue Accent Color 1 Shadow text effect. Word formats the selected text with the effect. To set text apart from other text, you can apply font effects such as small caps and strike-through. In the first body paragraph, select the text Danielle Brockman. In the font group, click the dialog box launcher. The font dialog box opens. In the Effects section of the font dialog box, click the Small Caps checkbox. Click OK. Word closes the font dialog box and applies the small caps font effect to the selected text. To add emphasis to a paragraph and set it apart from surrounding text, you can apply shading to the paragraph. Select the two paragraphs after the How It Works heading. In the paragraph group, click the shading arrow. The shading gallery opens. Click the blue Accent 1 Lighter 80% option in the fifth column, second row of the Theme Colors palette. The shading is applied to the selected paragraphs. Before you can apply some formatting changes to a paragraph, you need to select the paragraph. Position the pointer in the left margin next to the first paragraph after the Project Plan heading, and then double-click. You can change the font color of text to emphasize it or make it more appealing. Select the word Rockland in the first body paragraph. In the font group, click the Font Color arrow. Click Orange Accent 2 in the sixth column and first row of the Theme Colors palette. Word changes the font color. Change the zoom level of a document to better view the contents. Zoom out to see more of the page on the screen, and zoom in to see page contents up close. On the status bar, click the Zoom Out button. Word adjusts the zoom down to 100%. Apply numbering to paragraphs that list information in a sequence. Select the 5 paragraphs after the 5 project phases heading. In the paragraph group, click the numbering button. Word applies numbers to the selected paragraphs using the default style. To reverse the last change you made in a Word document, you can undo the action. If you undo an action and then want to restore the original change, you can redo the action. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Undo button. Word reverses the last action by removing the bold from the text. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Redo button. Word restores the action by bolding the text again. Apply bullets to paragraphs to create a bulleted list and make the paragraphs easier to find and read. Select the 5 paragraphs after the Key Technology Trends heading. In the paragraph group, click the Bullets button. Word applies bullets to the selected paragraphs. You can use the Repeat button on the Quick Access toolbar to repeat certain actions in Word. Select the text Technology at the beginning of the first sentence. In the Font group, click the Bold button. The selected text is bold, and the Repeat button is active on the Quick Access toolbar. Select the word Rockland at the beginning of the third sentence. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Repeat. Word repeats the previous action, applying bold to the selected text. You can remove the hyperlink formatting from web and email addresses so they appear as regular text. Right-click the blockchain hyperlink. The mini toolbar and the shortcut menu appear. On the Word removes the hyperlink from the selected text. Underline a word or phrase to call attention to it. Select the word Benefits in the paragraph before the bulleted list. In the Font group, click the Underline button. The selected word is now underlined. You can select more than one paragraph at the same time, even if the paragraphs are non-consecutive. Position the pointer to the left of the Overview heading paragraph. When the pointer changes to a right-facing arrow, click to select the paragraph. Indicating it is selected. Position the pointer to the left of the background paragraph. When the pointer changes to a right-facing arrow, press and hold. Bold text when you want to give a strong emphasis to text or set it apart from surrounding text. select the heading Plan for Success at the beginning of the. In the font group, click the bold button. The selected text is now bold. Select all the text in a document when you want to format or make other changes to the entire document. In the editing group on the Home tab, click the Select button. The Select menu displays options for selecting the content in the document. On the Select menu, click Select All. All the text in the document is selected. Make a copy of an existing document by saving it with a different name. You can make changes to the new renamed document and still have the original document for reference. Click the File tab on the ribbon. Word displays Backstage View. In Backstage View, click Save As. Word displays locations for saving the file. In the Current Folder section of the right pane, click Documents. The Save As dialog box opens. Type June Newsletter as the new name of the document. Click Save. Word saves the file with the new name in the same location and redisplays the document with the new name in the title bar. The original Rockland newsletter document is still stored in the Documents folder. To make a document more appealing and informative, you can insert a picture from a file stored on your computer. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click the Pictures button. On the Pictures menu, click This device. The Insert Picture dialog box opens. Click the Cloud Computing picture file. Click the Insert button. Word inserts the picture at the insertion point. You can drag a corner resizing handle on a picture to adjust its width and height at the same time without changing the proportions. Click the picture on the left to select it. Drag the upper right sizing handle up and to the right until the picture is the same height and width as the picture on the right. Apply a picture style to a picture to change two or more characteristics of a picture, such as its shape, angle, border, shadow, or reflection. Select the picture. Click the Picture Format tab. In the Picture Styles group, click the More button. Word displays the Picture Styles gallery. Click the Simple Frame Black style in the second column, second row of the Picture Styles gallery. Word applies the style to the picture, which adds a border and a shadow. You can apply a picture effect to a picture to make it more striking or visually appealing. Select the picture. Click the Picture Format tab. In the Picture Styles group, click the Picture Effects button. Word displays the Picture Effects menu. Word displays the Glow gallery. Click the Glow 5-point Blue Accent Color 1 effect in the first column, first row of the Glow Variations gallery. Word applies the effect to the picture. Change the theme colors to apply a different set of colors to elements such as headings and tables in the document. Click the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Document Formatting group, click the Colors button. The Colors gallery opens and displays several color palettes. In the Colors gallery, click the Green color palette. Word changes the theme colors and updates the colors in the document. Use page borders to add graphic interest to documents such as brochures, newsletters, invitations, proposals, or flyers. Click the Design tab on the ribbon. In the Page Background group, click the Page Borders button. The Borders and Shading dialog box includes settings for border style, color, width, and art. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, in the Style section, click the Double Line option, the seventh option in the Style list. The box setting is automatically selected when you click a style. Click the Color arrow. The Border Color gallery opens. In the Theme Colors section, click the Blue-Gray Text 2 option, row 1, option 4 in the Theme Colors section. In the Borders and Shading dialog box, click the Width arrow. A list of border widths appears. In the Width list, click the 1.5 point width option. Click OK. The document is formatted with a page border. Change the paragraph spacing to increase or decrease the amount of space before or after a paragraph. Click in the first body paragraph. Click the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, click the up arrow in the Before text box. The spacing changes to 6 points before the paragraph. In the After text box, click the up arrow. The spacing changes to 6 points after the paragraph. You can add and change some document properties to help you identify and find files after you create them. Click the File tab on the ribbon. Backstage View opens. In the navigation pane, click Info. In the Properties section, click the Tags box, type Carter as the Tags document property, and then press Tab. Click the Back button. Backstage View closes and the document appears again in Print Layout view. If you have more than one document open, you can click the Close button to close only the active document. Click the File tab on the ribbon. Word displays Backstage View. In Backstage View, click Close. Word closes the Rockland newsletter document and displays the Home tab with the Consulting Letter document open. Open a Word document in order to view, print, or make edits to it. Click the File tab on the ribbon. Word displays Backstage View, which provides screens and commands for managing files and Word options. In Backstage View, click Open. The Open Gallery appears with location and file options. You can choose from files on your computer or online. In the left section of the Open Gallery, click Browse. The Open dialog box opens and displays the file in the Documents folder. In the Open dialog box, click the Rockland Newsletter file. Click Open. The document opens in Word and is ready for editing. If you want to move text in a document or from one document to another, you can cut and paste the text. Select the word Carter from the last sentence of the fourth body paragraph. On the Home tab in the Clipboard group, click the Cut button. The selected text is removed from the document and stored on the Office clipboard. Click to the left of the word Healthcare in the first sentence. The insertion point blinks in the new location. In the Clipboard group, click the Paste button. Word inserts the text from the Office clipboard to the document at the location of the insertion point. If you want to duplicate text, you can copy and paste it instead of retyping the text. Select the text Technology Connects in the first body paragraph. In the Clipboard group on the Home tab, click the Copy button. The selected text is stored on the Office clipboard. Click the blank paragraph at the end of the document. The insertion point blinks in the new location. In the Clipboard group, click the Paste button. Word inserts the text from the Office clipboard to the document at the location of the insertion point. After you copy text, you can paste it while keeping the source formatting, merge the formatting to match the destination formatting, or keep the text without formatting. In the first body paragraph, select the text Danielle Brockman. In the clipboard group, click the Copy button. Word copies the selected text to the clipboard. Click the blank paragraph in the middle of the document. In the clipboard group, click the Paste button. Word inserts the copied text using its original formatting and displays the Paste Options button. Click the Paste Options button. Word displays the Paste Options menu. On the Paste Options menu, click the Merge Formatting button, the second button from the left. Word changes the formatting of the pasted text to match the formatting of the surrounding paragraph. Move text, including characters, words, sentences, and paragraphs, when you want the text to appear in a different place in the document. Click in the margin to the left of the Chicago Ill 60601 paragraph. Paragraph is selected. Press Ctrl and X. Word removes the text from the document and stores it on the clipboard. Click the blank line after. Press Ctrl and V. The paragraph now appears in its proper location. Use Read Mode for documents you do not need to edit. Read Mode often makes the document easier to read and navigate. On the status bar, click the Read Mode button. The document appears in Read Mode. In the middle of the right side of the window, click the circled arrow. Word displays the next page in Read Mode. As you work with a document, you can change the view to display more than one page at the same time, or magnify the view so the page fills the width of the document window. Click the View tab on the ribbon. In the Zoom group, click the Multiple Pages button. Word reduces the zoom setting to display the 2 pages of the document at the same time. Print a document when you want to produce a hard copy or paper copy of the document. Click the File tab on the ribbon. Click Print. Word displays a preview of the document so you can review how it will look when printed. In the Print pane, click the Print button. Word sends the document to the printer. Use Print Layout when you need to make edits to your document and/or you want to see all available tabs and commands on the ribbon. On the status bar, click the Print Layout button. The view changes from Read Mode to Print Layout, and the document now appears as it will when printed. After you save a document for the first time, you can save your changes to it while keeping the same file name and storage location. On the Quick Access toolbar, click the Save button. Word saves the document using the same file name and save location. Before printing a document, you can change the print settings to suit your needs. Click the File tab on the ribbon. In Backstage View, click Print. Click the Letter button. Word displays the paper size options. Click Legal. The button name changes to reflect your selection. Click the One Page per Sheet option. On the menu, point. On the Scale to Paper Size menu, click Legal. Word scales the document for legal-sized paper, as displayed in the print preview. Close documents you no longer need to avoid working in the wrong document by mistake. Closing extraneous documents also makes your screen less cluttered. On the taskbar, right-click the Word button. The shortcut menu for the Word button opens. On the shortcut menu, click Close All Windows. The two open documents close and then Word closes.